know exactly what you need to know before developing a new product. Consumer trends, packaging trends, nutritional values, food regulations, origin and authenticity, animal welfare standards. At NSF International, we can answer all your questions in the food sector. When you're developing the product, do you think about what the customer would like to have, or do you make decisions based on your technical abilities? Did you know that on average, 80% to 90% of new products fail in the market? So good planning and getting the voice of the customer is crucial for success. NSF can help you to launch more successful products. We organise the necessary qualitative and quantitative research tailored to your needs to find out what your target customers are looking for and what trends are projecting. Now you know what to focus on to develop your product, but is this enough? Now the question of how comes into play. Let's see your product's journey to success. Beginnings are always tough. Your product needs to have strong differentiators in order to survive the competition. NSF can help you develop the right product. We can help you with the recipe development support, with our food technologists and dietitians, as well as our software to define the right ingredients. Now you can move on with confidence. Ingredients. Do they comply with food regulations? Do you have the specifications in place to test them? We can test the ingredients and develop or check the specifications in terms of quality and safety. Suppliers. Are they coming from reliable sources? Food fraud might damage your market image irreversibly. NSF can set up a preventive food fraud risk alert matrix and can check your suppliers based on your standards, or can help you develop or improve your standards in terms of quality and safety. Food laws. We have experts to update you on current food regulations. Our up-to-date food regulation services will guide you about current legislation and upcoming changes. Then you guarantee your success on your journey. After you have the right recipe with the right ingredients, it's time to test the initial product for taste and other sensory characteristics. We can test it with experts to see if the ingredients and the recipe offer what they promise, and with consumers to see if the target group likes them. You want to be a winner, right? We can compare your products with your competitors' products within your target segment to see if they are preferred. And if not, we can guide you on how to improve them. And yes, you are almost ready to enter the market. After we are sure about the recipe and the appeal of the product, we can move on to the packaging and labelling. Our experts will make sure your packaging and labels are in line with the regulations and that the marketing messages show the added value of your products. Now you have an appetizing product that has good ingredients, in line with the regulations, and in attractive packaging. Are your customers happy to see your product on the shelves? They seem to be, but would you like to be sure? We can implement satisfaction surveys with your customers to assess their level of satisfaction and to find out areas to improve to make it perfect. If there are any complaints about the product, we can handle that too. We get the product analysed in a food lab and make sure that the source of the problem is identified and solved. And now you have the power. You are at the peak of your product life cycle. People love you. Enjoy the victory. Oh no, what's that? It seems that staying at the peak forever is not that easy. Trends are changing, market conditions and the competition too. So, are we going to watch things change around us or act proactively? Of course, we will do something about it. NSF can help you identify the causes of decline through expert panels, consumer panels, satisfaction surveys or focus groups. We identify the reasons for dissatisfaction and rework the recipe based on our research results and sensory testing feedback. Then we update the packaging and labelling accordingly and make sure the added value is reflected on the package. We start a new cycle and revive your product without having to create a new product from scratch. With our combined technical and commercial capabilities, we make sure your products are successful in the market and your company works efficiently. And you can also automate the entire life cycle process using NSF's Traction Cloud software solution. We are proud and happy to walk you through your journey of product success. NSF. your key to success in the food business.